The canoe uses every ounce of its energy to try to shake off its assailant, but the lioness has a vice-like grip. Eventually, the canoe's got nowhere left to turn. The big cat gets what it came for. The lioness was trying to reach its quarry's spine and deliver a paralyzing bite. The gnu attempted to keep its vulnerable vertebra safely out of reach by whirling like a dervish, but ultimately exhaustion overcame it, bringing the battle to an end. Leopards rely on the element of surprise to sneak up and snag their prey. The ultimate stealth hunter, this big cat is renowned for its ability to creep up undetected before striking like lightning and killing with a single swift stranglehold. But this leopard is about to find out that it's not the only one that employs the element of surprise. The tables are about to be turned. The zebra might be a prey animal, but it can deliver a powerful kick. With the leopard's cover blown, the zebra poses a serious threat. Cowering in the treetops, a hunter in hiding. Jan and Francie Dutoy were filming in Mala Mala Game Reserve in South Africa when they chanced upon a desperate scene. A large pride of lions surrounding a bull giraffe. Time was of the essence.
The heat was on. We had to get the camera ready. We had to get the sound ready. It was literally seconds that the action started.
Lions are an adult giraffe's deadliest threat, and this unfortunate bull is in trouble. His escape routes are blocked, and there's nowhere to run or hide. It's a calculated attack. Teamwork at its most effective. But their victim's no soft target. He's not going down without a fight.
If a man gets hit by a kick like that, you're dead, for sure. I was astounded that the lions, even after being kicked like that, they would get right back up again and attack again.
It was an amazing experience by itself, not just witnessing what happened in front of me, but just to hear what happened. When those females jumped up there and they were like dropped down as the giraffe kicked them, you could hear their nails going through the skin like when you tear sandpaper. It was unbelievable.
The lions are relentless, but they can't reach the giraffe's vital organs. The only way they can succeed is to force their victim to the ground. Despite the bull's brave fight, the outcome is inevitable. It's a grim scene, but at least the hungry pride will feed well. Such epic struggles are rarely witnessed and very seldom caught on camera.
If it would have been 5 minutes later, we wouldn't have got it. We would have missed it. So it's all about timing.
It's this extraordinary ability to take down prey 10 times their size that has earned lions a reputation as the top predators in their field. But surprisingly, their smaller cousins often put them to shame. By combining speed with stealth, cheetahs usually have a higher kill success rate than lions. Cheetahs live life in the fast lane. Their light, lithe bodies can reach speeds of over 90 kilometers an hour when they're chasing prey. Few animals can stand the pace. Even fewer can escape. But being at the very top of your game doesn't make you popular with the competition, particularly when you and your rivals are after the same food.
Potential predators do come across each other quite often in the wild, and they really don't tolerate each other. This can happen with lions, hyenas, lions, cheetah, lions and leopard.
Most predators are territorial to some degree or another, but with lions, territory is everything. Georges Montariol from France had his camera rolling during a game drive in Namibia. Spotting a pair of cheetahs was a great thrill, but George wasn't the only one watching. The cheetah and its brother were in the wrong place at the wrong time, with disastrous results for one sibling.
The cheetah should have been paying more attention. It's a slightly slender-built creature and really doesn't have the power to take on a lion. The lion sees that cheetah as competition for food. So does this happen often? Lions interacting or killing other predators happens more often than we think. It's inevitable. Territories are getting smaller and smaller. Animals are crossing each other's paths more frequently. Any predator that comes into a lion's territory is deemed competition.